everyone. How are you all? I hope all will be fine. Okay children, today we are going to learn fourth lesson. What is the fourth lesson? Highest common factors and least common multiple. We are completed in previous video highest common. How to find highest common? What is the highest common factor? And today we are going to learn least common multiple. Now about least common multiple. What is the least common multiple? LCM. Now least common multiple is LCM. There are different methods to find the LCM of two or more numbers. There are different methods to find the LCM of two or more numbers. What are that methods? Listen here. By listing the multiples and by prime factorization method and by division method. Today we are going to learn by listing the multiplication method. Okay children. Finding the LCM by listing the multiples. Now first example 1. Find the LCM of 6 and 12. First we have to find out factors of multiples of 6. Then you have to find out multiples of 12. Okay children. Answer. Multiples of 6. You have to write here 6 table. 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30, 6 6s are 36, 6 7s are 42 and 6 8s are 48, etc. etc. Now first of all you have to write multiple of 6. What are the multiple means? Here you have to write 6 table. Okay children. 6 table. Then you have to write here multiples of 12. Multiples of 12. 12 ones are 12. 12 twos are 24. 12 threes are 36. Next 12 fours are 48. Next 12 fives are 60. 72. Then 84. Etc. etc. Okay children. Now you have to write 6 multiples and 12 multiples. Then you have to find the common multiples. Now what are the common? You have to check 6 multiples and 12 multiples. Both in a same word. You have to find out. What are they? Now 12 there and 24 are 24. Next 36, 48, 48. Okay children. Common multiples of common multiples of 6 and 12. 6 and 12. You have to write 12, 24, 36, 48. Okay children. 48, etc. etc. Okay children. Next, least common multiple of. Least common multiple of. Common multiple of 6 and 12. You have to write this all into which one is smaller? Which one is smaller? 1, 2, 3, 4. We are finding 4 common multiples. This into which one is smaller children? Yeah, 12 is smaller. These only 12 only. But this LCM of 6 and 12. LCM of 6 and 12. Note this one. Let us start next method. What is the next method? By prime factorization method. LCM. Prime factorization method. Okay children. Find the LCM of 16 and 24 using prime factorization method. Now here answer. You have to first of all find the 16 factors. What are the 16 factors? 16. You have to do divide 16 by 2. Now 2 table, 2 8 are 16. Next divide 8 by 2. 2 4s are 8. Then 2 2s are 4. What is the answer here? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Then you have to find out 24 prime factorizations. Okay children. Divide 24 by 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. Then 2 6 are 12. 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6. What is the answer here? 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Then you have to find out common factors. Now common factors. Common factor. What are the common? 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Now, how many 2s are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 2s are there. Now, these 2 pairs into you have to take 1, 2. These 2 into you have to take 1, 2. And these 2 into you have to take 2. Okay, children. Next, other factors. Other factors. What are the other factors? 2, 3. 2, 3 are the other factors. Now, what is the LCM? What is the LCM? Therefore, LCM equal common factors into other factors. You have to do multiplication. Common factors and other factors. What are the common? 2 into 2 into 2. What are the other factors? 2 into 3. You have to do multiplication. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 2s are 16. 16 3s are how much? 48. 48. 48 is the LCM of 16 and 24. Okay children. Is it clear? Note this one. Next method. Finding the LCM by division method. Next method is division method. For example, find the LCM of 40, 68 and 72. Now, you have to write like that. 40, 68 and 72. This one is a which method? Division method. Okay, like that doing method is a division method. First, we have to do divide. First of all, you have to divide 40, 68, 72 by 2. Why you are doing 2 with division means these ones place in how even number. That's why only we are doing divide 40, 68, 72 by 2. Now, 40 divided by 2. 2 2s are 4. 0. Bring down 0. Put here 0. Okay, children. What is the answer here? What is the answer? 20. You have to 68 divided by 2. 2 3s are 6. 0. Bring down 8. 2 4s are 8. What is the answer? 34. Now, next 72 divided by 2. 72 divided by 2. 2 3s are 6. 1. Bring down 2 here. 2 6 are 12. Now, what is the answer? 36. Now, 20, 34, 36. These numbers are which numbers? Prime or composite? Tell me answer. Tell me the answer, children. Yeah, these numbers are composite. Now, 20, 34, 36. Divide 20, 34, 36 by 2. Now, 10, 17, 18. Now, 18. Now, see here. 10, 17 and 18 do not have a common factor. 10, 17, 18 do not have a common factors. Okay, children. But 10 and 18 has 2 has common factor. 2 has a common factor. Now here 10 comma 17 comma 18 do not have a common factor. But here 10 and 18 2 has a factor. Now you have to do 2. 2 5 are 10. You have to write 17 like that. Now leaving 17 as it is. 2 9s are 18. Now here 5 comma 17 comma 9 do not have a common factor. 5 comma 17 comma 9 as do not have a common factor. That's why it's only of the divisor. Now stop the divisor. What is the LCM? Therefore LCM equal 2 into 2 into 2 into, you have to write 2 into 2 into 2, then remaining ones also, others also you have, other factors also you have to write here. You have to multiply common factors and other factors. What are the other factors? 5 into 17 into 9. 5 into 17 into 9. Now you have to do multiplication. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 8 5s are 40. 40 9s are how much? 40 9s are 9 0 0. 9 4s are 32. Now then you have to do 17 with multiplication. Now what is the answer? 6140. What is the answer? 6140. First these numbers you have to do multiplication. Now doing time, what is the answer? 6140. We will get 6140. Okay children, note this one. Okay children, today homework. Find the LCM of 3 and 4 by listing the multiples method. Next, find the LCM of 10 and 16 by prime factorization method. And find the LCM of 25 and 45 by division method. These 3 problems you have to do in your rough notebook. Okay children, thank you.